Mr. People, Aunty Donna not easy. Aunty Donna not easy. Aunty Donna take the name and I run with it. Bertha. Aunty Donna I run with the name. She love it. You see me? The one T girl give her the name I know. Donna, I take it and I promote it, people. So that is Planka Boss' new name. And it will become famous by days, by months, by years, people. Me say, what are we all them people and know how to give Donna promotion? You see me? Me say, what are we all them people here know how to give Donna highlights? These people on social media, them no know say them are the same one who make Donna famous. Them are the same one with them stupid mentality, because what Donna do, she turn the negative into a positive. You see me? And trick enough of them, because enough of them don't know tactics, them don't know skill, them don't know the formula. Them don't know say you have to use fool and catch your wise. Yeah man. You have to act like you understand when you're smart. You have to act like you're broke when you're rich. So when Donna use Bertha and one thing I promote that, what you think gonna happen? More things are gonna roll in, more blessings. You see me? Because all the haters them do on social media is come at Donna and show them dirty ways. Me say people, Donna smart. Donna know to make money. Donna know to make business out of social media. Out of all the people them talk about her on social media. Donna put it on good way and make herself look good. You see me? Because all them can do a talk. All them can do a talk. And as I always say, people, Donna is not only the famous people. You see me? But all I know say is that none of the haters them I watch Donna for a reason. Them I watch her for bring her down. And it not working. So all them have to do is give her a name. Give her a name. Because them not have no sense. You see me? How can you try give Donna the name Bertha? Where you get that name from? I see me, so Donna use the yellow bus and style them. You see how easy Donna use certain things and get to them, because them not have no talent, them not have no skill on social media. And them are the same one come on social media and I do certain things and feel say Donna not feel away in herself. Them not understand say Donna in the foolish with them. Them not understand say Donna not depend for them level. Donna don't make them know say I am famous and you are not, because it's not just a show off. Them don't want to be famous. Them want to live upon Donna name and waste so much of them time so Donna become more famous and famous by them calling her name. And I'm saying them people on social media, them no find time and do nothing incredible on a daily basis more than spend 2 or 3 or even 5 hours of them time talking about Donna, putting money in Donna pocket, make Donna getting smarter and smarter, make Donna get more business and more endorsement. And me say to myself, say, come on, the amount of planka people love Donna, and then these haters them on social media trying to make Donna not look relevant. How can you guys do that? Or how can you guys try to do that? You guys are not relevant calling the lady Bertha. We want to get the name from Bertha. Who is Bertha? That's not funny. Okay? T-girl, you are not funny. I say you, Maxine Foster, you went to the funeral to see Planka Boss, but you're not going to come out and address it. You're not going to come out and tell the world, because you know the people are going to look by your way. You get me I say? Enough of you don't like people, I don't like nobody. Because the way me hear you talk about Opal, me I say, boy, she love Opal really bad. You see me? And the same way when you can say, Donna said that a lot of message was in her phone and she did not respond back to them. You see me? And the same way goes for you, because you are somebody look like you call Opal no one then. You get me I say? Because if you remain Opal good, why would you need to come out now and bash Planka Boss? Because what Planka Boss have done. Why would you do that? Why would you say certain things? Say Planka Boss could have answered her phone You see me? And even if she did answer her phone and thing, how can that help more than Dana would give her advice? Dana probably wrong for say she have man problem, but at the end of the day still, you cannot expect that Dana must be the burden for everybody. Remember, sometimes Dana busy, and she's very, very busy. And sometimes the amount of message and thing will come on her phone, she cannot respond back to everybody. She cannot talk to everybody. And if that was the case, and Opal was reaching Dana will respond back to her and thing, that is very sad. You get me, I say? But it's not Dana why Opal passed away. Could Dana prevent it? Yes, she could slightly prevent it. Because it's, even if Dana said Opal had man problem, even if it was man problem, and then Dana decided if you talk to the two of them and try to squash it, it might come back to normal, people. It might come back to normal, because guess what? Guess what happened? You see, when you see relationship with man and woman, don't you dare get involved in it. Don't you dare put your foot between man and woman. Man and woman will always get together, people. No matter what. Especially when a baby father and baby mother. Especially a wife and husband. So you cannot come between them. But I know say, them people are fool. Them that know say, when them talk about Dana, them a make she rich and famous over and over. I mean, I say, if you hate somebody so much, why you watch them? If you want somebody to pass on, why are you watching them? You see me? I mean, I say, these people are not smart. Them not smart. Them not have no sense. Tina not have no sense. Tina give Dana content. Tina give Dana idea. And them, for themselves, them not have no idea. Them not have no skill. Them stuck in the same position. Them have the same kind of philosophy in their mind. The same kind of clothes. The same kind of shoes and hair. And them then want to give advice to somebody who have been there and done that. I may say, what is the relevancy of T-Girl calling Dana Bertha? See me? Because she knows enough for herself, say, she cannot call out Dana real name. Because she's on the verge of getting sued. That's why she changed the name to Bertha. But Dana enjoy Bertha. Dana endorsed both Bertha. And you know that something is coming out with Bertha. So people will have to look out for that. You get me, I say? And the haters them need to be more smart. Yeah? Will have to be more smart. Because the more they talk about the lady, the better it become for her. The better it become for her. How you guys feel? For no say, people not talk about her and somebody else is talking about another person who was to get bashed down. I know I never feel way down yourself and thing, guys. But I just saw life go. Life is not an easy road. Life is not an easy journey. You see me? And we all know say we have ups and downs. And we all know say we have to give God thanks and do not pay the haters them no mind on social media, because they will always be the hater. They will always be that person who cause problems on social media. They will always be that irrelevant person that always gonna give themselves trouble and their fans. But what I want to say is that people just stay focused. Just like how Dana stay focused, because Dana is making life easy. Get me? I say she have done the hard work and now she's resting herself now, and it's a good look, people. But what I want to say again too is that do not follow negative things on social media. Do not follow people calling Dana Bertha and they calling her all these things, because it's not relevant. It's not called for. It's not called for, because these people that are causing trouble, they do not have nothing to live for. They do not have a family. They do not have a friend. All they do is just to pretend and pretend and pretend. And I know that things will never be the same as long as all these artists are running. You see me? Because, you know, just to say as much as I respect what you are doing, but I do not like you. You get me, I say? But then I do not want it from some of them because they are not real. So all them called Donna Bertha, it's gonna make her famous on a daily basis, people, weekly and monthly. So wanna stay tuned, people. Thanks to everyone who watch the video. Thanks to all who like the video and leave their thought in the comment section, people. Best up on yourself.